Meaning of entrance.
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 Entrance. Entrance can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it's used. It can refer to the act of entering, such as entering a building or room through a doorway. It can also refer to a physical opening or doorway itself, or a place where entry is allowed, like an entrance gate or checkpoint. In some cases, entrance can also be used to describe a feeling of enchantment or captivation, as if to say someone or something has entranced you or taken your attention completely.